Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Expedia Group Partner Central, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Expedia Group Partner Central, begin by navigating to the Expedia Group Partner Central login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated email field. Next, type your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. Check your email for instructions to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. Once you have entered your new password, return to the login page. Input your email and new password into their respective fields. For added security, you may be asked to complete a CAPTCHA verification. Complete the CAPTCHA to proceed and click on the Login button. After a successful login, you will be redirected to the Partner Central dashboard. In case of a two-factor authentication prompt, check your registered phone or email for the code. Enter the code into the provided field to complete your authentication. After entering the code, click the Verify button to finalize the process. Once authenticated, make sure to navigate the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. If you encounter any issues during the login process, take note of any error messages displayed. You can find help by clicking on the Support or Help section located on the login page. This concludes the authentication process for Expedia Group Partner Central. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.